Mula po sa Kasing Sining, nais namin pasalamat sa Cultural Center of the Philippines sa opportunity na dalhin po itong workshop na to dito sa Bohol. Matagal po namin pinapangarap na magkaroon ng ganitong pagsasanay, lalo na sa mga artists dito sa Bohol. And we're very happy that the Provincial Government of Bohol, through the Center for Culture and Arts Development, has always been a true partner in terms of doing cultural development work in the province.
On behalf of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, I am very happy to be here for the 6th-day Upskilling the Performing Arts lecture and workshop, knowing that Bohol is rich not only in traditions but also in arts leaders.
We are here to embark on a transformative journey with the theme Upskilling, workshop in the performing arts. Pero ano ba ibig sabihin nito, upskilling? One of those new terms in the last 5 years or 10 years. No? What does it really mean? Do we need it here in Bohol? Why do we need it? Ano ba? Okay? Bakit ang Kasing Sining of ang provincial government sees this opportunity from the CCP?
So I was so glad that Congressman Toff de Venecia initiated and spearheaded the passage of a new law that will support the creative industry here in the Philippines. And hopefully support performing arts groups, visual arts groups, galleries, etc.
To be in the creative sector is an advocacy. Diba?
Yes.
Parang,
Right.
it's not for everyone. Not really advocacy. It's a gift, I think. But we have to continue with this. We have to strengthen. We have to build on the strengths of everyone and build on from this event. We don't end. And I hope this is just a start. We're 1 year now. Let's push for our creatives, especially for the performing arts. We have so much in the province.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of the Provincial Government of Bohol, headed by Governor Alice Cominado and Vice Governor Judicial Victor Baledit, we extend our deepest gratitude to the organizers for your unwavering support and commitment to Bohol arts culture development.
Nobody will give it to us for free, and this is here and now. We have to grasp it in a way of committing the same mistakes. So in short words, shortening what CCP has been doing and what the other teams has been doing with the expertise of our speakers.
Second, event management is the process of planning, organizing, and executing an event. Diba? It is putting together resources to make things happen smoothly, ensuring that our target audience is engaged, and most importantly, that the message comes across.
These are the core skill sets in, putting up a play. We have stage management and a key difference, stage management and production management. And the key difference of these two, yung stage management, day-to-day operation siya. So ano nangyayari during rehearsals and all that, and coordination of a production. So yun yung main function ng stage management. So production management, overall siya.
So this workshop marks a historic moment as we enter a new era. This is a new era for Bohol and in the entire country. This is the era of the emerging creative economy. na emerging creative industries. Pinagagaling natin ang skills natin para lalong natin ma-safeguard ang ating kabatang lahi, ating mga heritage, whether it's natural to cultural.
Us to the now. So, kami po yung nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtanggap, sa inyong partisipasyon. Nakikinig ako kanina doon sa culmination ng session ni Sir Nilo. And it's very rich, it's very promising. Nakakataba ng puso na meron ng next gen na nakaabang. And how you actually organize the entire 6-day workshop. Mayroong nang nakaabang. And Bohol is a treasure trove of content.
And now I think it's moving into another milestone development of becoming a center for the performing arts of. Tayo yun. Ina-appreciate nga namin, sabi buti pa si Gardy, nag-train para meron rin siyang second layer, third layer, fourth layer. And what we're doing now is part of that vision of Sir Gardy. Now you're being prepared.